Welcome to our channel. Today we how to upgrade your home cleaning with TaskRabbit, beginner guide step by step clearly. To upgrade your home cleaning with TaskRabbit, first, visit the TaskRabbit website or download the mobile app. Create an account by entering your email and setting a secure password. Once your account is set up, you will be guided through a series of prompts to complete your profile. Next, indicate your location so TaskRabbit can connect you with local cleaning professionals. Select the cleaning category from the available services menu. You will then see various cleaning options, such as deep cleaning, general cleaning, or special services. Choose the type of cleaning that best fits your needs and click on it for more details. Next, specify the date and time you would like the cleaning service. You can also adjust the duration of the service based on your space and cleaning needs. After that, review the list of available taskers in your area. Read their profiles, reviews, and ratings to find someone who matches your preferences. Once you find a tasker you like, click on their profile to see their available hours and rates. Select your tasker and click on Book to proceed. You may be prompted to provide specific details about the cleaning tasks you want to be completed. Ensure you communicate any special instructions or areas of focus in the provided notes section. After confirming your booking details, proceed to payment. TaskRabbit accepts various payment methods, ensuring a convenient transaction. Once payment is processed, you will receive a confirmation email with your booking details. On the day of the cleaning, the tasker will arrive at your home at the scheduled time. Be sure to greet them and walk them through your home, pointing out any specific areas you want them to focus on. As they work, you can relax or take care of other tasks. Once the cleaning is done, take a moment to inspect the work to ensure it meets your expectations. Finally, leave a review based on your experience, which helps other users make informed decisions. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.